Hey, I'm Jonathan Brumley. I'm out here with Snap-tite Hose at FDIC 2022. We're here in the flow zone today, and what we're discussing is the building of attack packages and building a system that is efficient and works really well for the end user. So for me personally, I'm looking for a system that is beneficial not only for the occupants in the buildings that we're going in and fighting fire inside, but also really works well for the person that's on the end of the nozzle and the people that are backing me up on that as well. So where that really starts is building a system where we're incorporating not only just the nozzle, not only just the hose, but we're incorporating together as an entire system. And for me personally, I'm looking for an attack package that operates at a low nozzle pressure. Especially on 2.5, guys can get crushed when we're over pumping lines, when we're pumping 100 PSI at the tip. It's not necessarily a combination fog nozzle smoothbore debate. What we're really looking for is we're looking for an attack system that operates at that low pressure. So what I've got on the end of my line right now is an 1.1/8" tip. When we flow this line at 50 PSI, 265 gallons per minute, with a nozzle reaction just below 100 pounds of pressure. I can switch this out really easy. Again, this isn't a smoothbore versus fog debate. This is making sure that life is good for everybody, and that happens with low operating pressures. So I could switch this out and use a combination nozzle. My preference is something like this: fixed gallonage fog nozzle, 50 PSI operating pressure at the tip, 250 gallons per minute. So we're keeping those high flows, but we're not crushing our firefighters on the end of it. What really makes that system work in a low pressure setting is a hose line that can back it up. So what we have here on the ground right now is some Pond Gladiator. When we're pumping this thing at roughly 10 to 15 PSI per 100 feet of hose, we've got a system that is not gonna kink on us. It's gonna stay lightweight, and we're gonna be able to move this effectively and efficiently with limited manpower. This isn't a situation where we have to have 7, 8 people on the end of that line. One good nozzle firefighter, 1, 2 good backups, and this is a system that's positive for everybody. So come on out, hang out with Snap-tite Hose, FDIC 2022 in the flow zone. Appreciate you guys. I'm Jonathan Brumley.